Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you several tips and tricks about Google Sheets. So here I already have the documents that I've prepared to you. So the tips and tricks that I would like to give to you today is about arranging the text. So you can see here we already have the white space or white cells on these documents, and I would like to arranging the text. And how to arranging the text, you just need to go click the cells that you want to arrange the text in, and after that you just need to go click this alphabet, this A symbols, and whenever you here you just need to, if you want to make it bold font, you just need to go click this B alphabet so that those text will be in a bold. What about if you want to make it like italic? You just need to go click the cells, go click this alphabet, and just go click this I symbols. Now the text become an italic. And what about the underline? You just need to go click the text or the cells and do the same, and just go click this U symbols. And now the text already have underline on it. And what about if I would like to rotate the text? For example, this, since this cell has the widest cells or columns, I would like to rotate the text. So you just need to click the cells and go click this alphabet, and you just need to go click this text rotation. And if you want to make it like a diagonally, you just need to go click tilt up. Now the text already rotate. Or what if you want to make it become the stack vertically, so that it will be like this. And you can do for the rest. For example, for the English, you want to make or rotate the text, go click text rotation and go to tilt up or tilt it down like this, just to mark up the your favorite lessons. And that's the tip and the tricks about Google Sheet that I would like to give to you today. Hopefully it really helps on your work. If you find this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.